Hey guys, it's Sejal. So today is another Mumbai versus Delhi fashion video. I have done, I think, 2 of these before, which all of you guys really like. So basically, winter season is not the same everywhere in the whole country. Delhi mein abhi literally 1-2 degree ho rahe honge, barf pad rahi hogi, and here it is so ridiculously hot. I'm like sweating, I'm dying. I've done one in the past for just regular winter outfits. I've done party outfits. So this time I wanted to do Indian themed outfits. So I have 3 pairs of outfits to show you guys. Also, while I was filming this video, if you guys checked out my Instagram stories yesterday, you would know like that I got teased on the road. So in the third outfit, mera mood काफी खराब है, so you guys now know why. So sorry about that. I mean, wait. I am not sorry about that. I'm allowed to have a bad mood, so fuck that. But yeah, I'm just letting you guys know what happened. So anyway, hope you guys enjoy and let's get started. This is actually my favorite way to wear Indian. Sorry, I completely forgot to iron that skirt, so let's just ignore that. That's actually like a lehenga skirt, and I'm paired it with a really nice crop top and super cool black belt, and I matched the black of the belt with my black ankle boots. And this necklace is my absolute favorite. I think this color combination, that kind of necklace and kajal just looks great. And to make this look winter appropriate, जो मैं हर बार करती हूँ, wear a black skivvy under the tank top, and I'm also wearing a denim black jacket on top, and also I made sure to wear that necklace on top of my skivvy because it looks really cool like that. And you can also wear tights under this, and that's pretty much it. In this video, I love that it's neutral on the inside. So I'm wearing this really nice crop top. It's by a brand called 145 and this Shrug as well, and it has a wraparound on the waist, so it's really pretty. Uske saath maine ek white skirt pehni hai, so it's neutral on the inside, and I've added this insane pop of color with that Shrug. And to make this look winter appropriate, I wore, of course, the same thing I do, a skivvy, but I'm wearing a white one to just match the whole neutral theme, and I'm wearing a denim jacket inside the Shrug, which I think is a really cool combination. And I changed my shoes out for combat boots. This look is very due. And also, just by the way, जो उसका summer version था, that is what I was wearing when I got Eve tees. I mean, like, what the heck? It's not even like I was wearing something really revealing, so I was just infuriated. But anyway. Never wear, but I wanted to do something very simple जो हर कोई recreate कर सकता है. So everyone has a simple black kurta like this. In fact, ये मैंने खुद borrow किया है, and I thought, what is easier than to do a black kurta with black jeans? But I made it a little bit more stylish by adding these boots, that bag, and also doing a bindi. And to make this winter appropriate, so of course you want to wear a skivvy inside this, but because it was so hot I didn't do that, and I'm wearing a shrug on top of it. This is a really pretty one with Bengali colors on it. So yeah, and that's pretty much it. Alright, so that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Do check out the description box below for all the outfit details. And thank you so much for watching again. Subscribe, like, comment, and thank you so much for being so supportive on my last Q&A, on my Instagram, on the DMs, and just being like a really good support system these days. It's been a tough week for me. I'm working on a huge, insane project which is gonna come out in the next 2 months. Usme meri jaan lag rahi hai, and I'm working on 5 other different things. I'm auditioning for things, and along with that I'm creating content, managing my team, so it's a lot. But thank you guys so much for appreciating all of that work. Please subscribe. It really helps me keep motivated to keep doing this. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.